is December 31, 2019, and in a few hours to go, we will welcome 2020. And for 2020, I plan to create my own YouTube channel, and today I'm going to watch this Burj Khalifa firework show. I've been living here for 4 years in UAE. I was in Abu Dhabi before, and now I'm in Dubai. And I never watched I never watched the Burj Khalifa fireworks show. I never celebrate also New Year's Eve in Dubai. I usually celebrate it with my cousin or someone special. So yeah, this will be the first New Year's Eve in watching the Burj Khalifa fireworks show, and I'm going with my brother. And so I'm going to work now, and after that I'm going out. I don't know, they didn't tell what time I'm going out, so yeah, I don't know, hopefully earlier as possible, because I want to go out as early as possible and want to rest at home before the fireworks show, because I heard a lot of things like so much crowd, it's crowded, it's it's a lot of things that and the road are closed, the metro is closed. It's only open at Business Bay and Financial Center, so we will need to walk. It's either a Business Bay or Financial Center. Good luck to me, and I hope the crowd will be nice, like there will be no accident happens. I hope, I wish, I pray. So yeah, see you later. We're now inside of Dubai Mall.
We're going to watch the fireworks display here in Burj Khalifa.
We're excited. We're excited.
Because it's our first time here to watch the
Burj Khalifa fireworks show.
countdown.
I've been here for like 4 years, and this is the first time going to celebrate here in Dubai. So now we're going to Burj Park, because that's the place we're planning to watch. And there's the Burj. It will be lit later. And there's my brother. Now we're inside of the Burj Park. It's 6 o'clock now, and we're walking to find a good spot of the Burj Khalifa. It's a long walk. 6:31 p.m. Another 6 hours to go, mostly. Right now they're playing fountain. Playing the fountain.
Kusot na ka rin.
Oh yeah. This is how I look while walking. I'm so tired. And there's my brother. And we're walking in Phil Metro and my feet kinda hurt. But I love that. See the birds. I have the background of the birds here. Finally, after the long line, we're here now on Metro. Hello, good morning and Happy New Year! Welcome 2020 and oh my god, last night I'll share you what a beautiful and amazing and incredible happened to me. Okay, as I said, yesterday morning I'm going to watch a Burj Khalifa with my brother, and Oh my god, it was so amazing, guys. It's so amazing. It's really amazing. So I even had a goosebumps while watching it. I was like, oh, it's so incredible how they did that and all. Okay, it's so amazing overall. It's so amazing. The show was so amazing. We went there like 6 p.m. So we wait for like 6 hours. And yeah, the bad thing is just 5 minutes. I want more, guys. I want more. It's so pretty and so incredible. It's amazing. It's so very incredible. And as you can see, this crown was so cute. I like it. My brother bought it, and this one is like, once you buy the funds they collected, they will give it to the United for the Ocean. So maybe these people, I didn't heard about them. Maybe these people is helping about the ocean, saving the ocean and anything, cleaning the ocean and everything. So yeah, it's cute and it's blue. It's my favorite color. It's the color of the year. And so cute. Oh, see? So, uh, okay. So that's it. That's all what I can say about the Burj Khalifa show. But overall, it was so amazing, so beautiful. Oh God, who will not love Dubai about that, right? It's so very beautiful. But next year, hopefully, I'm going to watch the. It's a secret for now. I had already a plan, but you never know what will happen. But if I change my mind, I cannot tell it like I'm going here. Then suddenly, I'm changing my mind. So just stay tuned, of course. And this is my first vlog. And welcome to my channel. I'm K2 and thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to everyone. And don't forget to comment below and anything what you want or what you say, even it's bad or good one. So yeah, thank you for watching and happy New Year. Bye.